Has this ever happened to you? You check your bank statement, see a charge from an online retailer, and you have no idea what it is. Or maybe you ordered something that never arrived. If you've ever had to dispute a charge or transaction, you know the process can feel overwhelming, especially with an unfamiliar payment provider. Today, we're cutting through the complexity to explain exactly how Paysafe, a leading specialized payments platform, handles account disputes and chargebacks. Whether you're a consumer who's noticed an unauthorized payment or a merchant dealing with a formal dispute, understanding this process is key to a fast, fair resolution. For consumers, the initial step is always the same: contact the merchant first. This is the fastest way to resolve a simple misunderstanding or process a quick refund. If that doesn't work, then you initiate a formal dispute, often known as a chargeback, through the card-issuing bank or directly with Paysafe, depending on your product. When you contact Paysafe directly about an unauthorized or incorrect transaction, say, on a Paysafe card or NetEller account, they launch a formal complaint process. They will acknowledge your complaint quickly, provide a reference number, and assign a dedicated staff member. Their goal is a resolution within 15 business days. You'll need to provide documentation, like transaction IDs and any correspondence you've had with the merchant, so gather that evidence. Now, for merchants, a dispute usually comes in the form of a request for information, or RFI, which precedes a chargeback. This is your warning shot. Paysafe acts as the bridge between you and the customer's bank. You have a very short, critical window, typically just 5 business days, to send Paysafe all the proof that the transaction was legitimate, signed receipts, delivery confirmations, or proof the customer used the service. If the information is strong, Paysafe will fight the chargeback on your behalf in a process called representment. In some cases, like if a transaction was already refunded, Paysafe's automated systems, known as auto-representment, will instantly dispute the chargeback for you, saving you valuable time. The most important takeaway, whether you're a buyer or a seller, is to be prompt and thorough. Consumers must provide all details up front, and merchants must respond to RFIs with compelling evidence fast. Paysafe's role is to facilitate this process fairly, using robust systems to fight fraudulent claims and ensure authorized transactions are upheld. In an increasingly digital world, a clear and efficient dispute mechanism is crucial. Paysafe strives to manage this complex choreography of banks, merchants, and card networks to protect everyone involved, minimizing financial loss and restoring your peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.